Welcome. If you've ever watched a live video on Facebook and later wanted to find it again, the latest Facebook update has made that possible right from your PC. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to locate all the live videos you've watched using Facebook on the web. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. From there, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your actions and interactions on the platform. After opening the activity log, you'll see a sidebar on the left side. Look for the section called Your Facebook Activity and click on it. This will expand more categories related to your activity history. Now click on Posts. Inside this section, you'll find different filters and categories. Look carefully for the option labeled Live Videos You've Watched and click on it. Once you open this section, you'll see a list of all the live videos you've watched on Facebook. You can scroll through the list, revisit videos, or simply check your viewing history anytime you want. This new update makes it much easier to track and revisit live content without searching manually. It's especially helpful if you follow creators, events, or streams that you want to watch again later. That's it. You now know exactly how to find live videos you've watched on Facebook using your PC.